Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Oceanside, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a facilities for disabled guests. Located in Oceanside, California, this motel is 7.1 miles from Legoland. Guests can watch expanded cable TV in the rooms and the motel features an outdoor pool. Every room at the Motel 6 Oceanside offers free local telephone calls. Oceanside Motel 6 includes laundry facilities and vending machines for added convenience. This pet-friendly motel also offers free parking. The California Surf Museum is 6 miles away. Camp Pendleton is 7.3 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.